the President. A prophet means a messenger of Allah to the mankind. The mission of the Prophet's life is to spread the word of Allah. Our holy Prophet ﷺ is the last messenger of Allah to the whole world. Dear guests, according to the history, Arabs were faced of wild tribes. They were leading a wild life. They buried their newly born daughters alive. They ill-treated the women, orphans and slaves. Even they were addicted to wine, adultery, gambling and bloody quarrels. Dear sir, then the Holy Prophet ﷺ was sent by Allah to set these bad people right. He struggled and worked day and night hard to reform them. He changed their manners by his own shining examples. He taught them to speak the truth, show mercy to the poor and sufferers, and be kind to the children. Respected audience, Holy Prophet ﷺ was called Sadiq and Amin even by his enemies because of his honesty and straightforwardness. The old idol worshippers tried their best to harm and tease him because he was spreading a religion which was unlike by them. Then the Holy Prophet ﷺ went to Medina in the company of Hazrat Abu Bakr radiallahu ta'ala anhu. There the people of Medina were very kind to him. Dear guests, after that the Medina became the center of the Islamic activities of the Holy Prophet ﷺ. He gained many followers there who also started preaching and the Muslim increased. After that the Holy Prophet ﷺ entered Mecca as a victor. He showed grace and mercy to Allah the Meccas and proclaimed the general amnesty. Dear audience, finally his life is a living source of emblem for all of us. Thank you for giving me your precious life.